Today we're going to talk about coverage C on your insurance policy, the unscheduled personal property. When you suffer damage to a covered loss in your home, you will have a lot of personal property in that home. Every item needs to be listed on an Excel spreadsheet, have a photograph for each item showing the damage. You should age that property for depreciation purposes. You should also have line item unit pricing, and we like to put a link for where we derive that pricing from. At Davison & Davison, we're going to prepare that list for you at the top quality industry standard. And at the end of the day, it's not about the list you prepared, but it's about the way that you can negotiate and defend the list that you prepared. Davison & Davison, Public Justice, the adjuster.